Everything that has an advantage also have a disadvantage. So now we're looking at the disadvantages or problems mountains pose to humans. And one of them is prevention of habitation. Remember, in the advantages we said mountains serve as a habitat. But it is not all mountainous places where people can settle. High mountain areas are known to be associated with coldness due to the normal lapse rate. And the normal lapse rate is the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. So the taller the mountain, the colder the place. So this weather condition prevents good habitat for human and animals. For instance, it is highly impossible for humans to settle on Mount K2 or Everest as a result of its elevation, its height. Now this is Mount K2. Now let's look at its steepness. It makes it very impossible for humans or animals to settle here. More so, because of the height, it's made the place very cold. You can see ice forming in these places because of the coldness. Secondly, mountains serve as barrier to communication. Here we're talking about getting in touch with the other person on the other side. And we do that through roads, railways, and airports. So because of the nature of mountains, it becomes or it prevents the construction of these roads, railways, and these airports. And even if it will be constructed, the cost of the construction is very high as compared to a plain surface or a low land. Now, let's look at this road on the Atlas Mountain of Morocco. First, it was very costly, and secondly, it is very dangerous. So these are some of the problems that mountains pose to humans.